So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you're going to be able to download CapCut for MacBook and then also Windows PCs. So CapCut has actually been a mobile-based app, but now they've expanded it to PCs for us to just get seamless editing for our videos on Instagram, TikTok, and then also YouTube. So a lot of people don't actually know CapCut can actually be downloaded on a PC. So if you're using a MacBook, you go straight to this website right here, CapCut.com, and then you're going to see straightforward like this. Download for Mac, and that is pretty much very cool. If you are using the Windows 2, you probably will just see it directly like this when you get to the website, download for Windows. And then if you don't want to use the website, you can go to the Windows Store if you are using the Windows PC, so you're going to be able to just download CapCut for Windows. So you can see on the screen right here, CapCut is in the Windows Store, and that is pretty much very cool. If you are using the Mac 2, you can go to the Apple Store and you're going to get CapCut right here. And trust me, I really like this app because the size of the app is actually very small compared to iMovie when you're trying to just start on your PC. With MacBook, you see iMovie is around 2 gigabytes, but then CapCut is just 400 megabytes, and that is pretty much very cool. So another thing, which is one of the very good things I really like about this app, is you can actually edit with your browser. So when you click on get started right here, whatever browser you are using, you're actually going to be able to just edit your videos inside of it. And trust me, that is pretty much very cool. That makes it a game changer. And everything you're using right here is very free. Like, it's totally free. So you can see we have blank canvas when you're going to edit in like blank canvas, and then we have TikTok ads, we have YouTube ads, and then we have Instagram stories right here, so you can just edit them. And then Instagram post, LinkedIn ads, and then Facebook videos. So with YouTube videos, you can just edit it right here, and then let's say you want to edit our TikTok video right here, we put it on this, and then we tap on create, and then we're going to get an interface like this, and then we can just tap on this section to just upload our videos, and that is pretty much where with CapCut right here. I think it's really great with a web-based app, because a lot of people probably might not have space on their PCs, and then they would like to use the web-based one. So in case maybe you want to know how you're going to be able to edit with this, the web-based CapCut app or the web-based CapCut editor, just let me know in the comment section. But if you want to know how you're going to be able to edit with the Mac or the Windows one, I'm going to leave a video in my description, because I've already made a detailed video of how you're going to be able to just use all the settings inside of this app, and that is pretty much very cool. I'm sure it's probably going to be the same with the web-based one, so you can check it out too in case you want to use the web-based one too. And whatever you want to know too, just stay to the comment section about CapCut. Just stay in the comment section, and I'm just gonna make a separate video for you guys, and that is pretty much very cool. If this is your first time, just consider subscribing and also share to anyone you think that is going to be very helpful. You can move forward to just watch all my content. If you're interested, just stick around so that you don't miss my next videos. Check out this video right here, and you're going to see everything about CapCut on PC and then Mac, and that is pretty much very cool. I'm going to catch you in the next video. Peace.